Okay, so today we're gonna update the firmware of the e-carts, and if you just want to make sure what firmware you have, you can go to the settings tab, you can press about e-carts, and the firmware version will be down here in the bottom corner. So this is the code that is currently on the e-carts. So let's say we want to update this, we go back to the settings menu, we press in the top right corner, and we select update firmware. We see the download is complete, starting to upload. The uploading is now complete and we can restart the e-cart. So we restart the e-cart by turning off the main switch and turning on the main switch again. Now we have restarted the e-cart. Now we need to wait 40 seconds roughly for the e-cart to boot up again, and then the new firmware is installed.